Egg recipe keto. Check out these 4 recipes. Number 1. Sausage, egg, and cheese bites, low carb and keto. Ingredients: 1 pound of breakfast sausage, cooked, drained, and cooled slightly, 4 ounces of cream cheese, softened, 3 eggs, beaten, 1 cup of shredded cheddar, a third cup of coconut flour, and a half a teaspoon of baking powder. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Cook your breakfast sausage, drain, and set it aside to cool slightly. When the sausage has cooled, add it to the mixing bowl and combine with the cream cheese until there are no cream cheese clumps left. It is important to make sure the sausage is not too hot before continuing, as it will cook the egg when you add it to the next step. Stir in the cheese, eggs, coconut flour, and baking powder. When the mixture is well incorporated, allow it to chill for 5 to 10 minutes. Coconut flour continues to absorb moisture, so if it seems to be runny, it won't be. Skipping this step and not chilling the dough will result in flat bites, not balls like you see in the photos. Grease a baking sheet and using a small cooking scoop, place the sausage, egg, and cheese bites on the tray. Bake 18 to 20 minutes. Number 2. Keto egg cups with bacon and cheese. Ingredients: 10 eggs, 8 slices of bacon, half a medium onion chopped, half a medium green pepper chopped, 2 ounces of spinach finely chopped, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 3/4 cups of cheddar cheese, 1/4 cup of Monterey Jack cheese, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, a dash of nutmeg, half a tablespoon of parsley for garnishing, and half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, optional. Instructions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice the bacon into bite-sized pieces and then fry in a skillet until golden brown. Set aside to drain fat. Reserve 1 tablespoon of the bacon grease and saute the onion and green peppers over medium heat until they are soft. Set aside to drain on a paper towel. In a medium-sized bowl, crack 10 eggs and then add heavy whipping cream, Worcestershire sauce, pepper, salt, and a dash of nutmeg. With a whisk, beat the eggs until the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Combine the green peppers, onion, chopped spinach, and 3/4 of the crumbled bacon in another bowl and distribute the filling amongst the muffin tins. Add the Monterey Jack cheese to each cup, followed by the cheddar. Distribute the egg mixture evenly amongst each muffin tin. Top each cup with your reserved bacon. Then sprinkle parsley and red pepper flakes on top, optional. Bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes or just until a knife comes out mostly clean. Make sure not to burn. I take them out before they turn brown. If you like them wet, undercook them for a few minutes. They will puff up with the steams as they bake, but sink a bit when you take them out of the oven. That's normal. Number 3. Keto egg salad with Dijon mustard. Yield 2 cups. Prep time 15 minutes. Total time 15 minutes. Ingredients: 8 boiled and chopped eggs, a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh green onions, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, half a cup of Hellmann's mayonnaise, 1/4 tablespoon of paprika, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: combine all ingredients and done. Number 4. Keto low-carb breakfast bacon and cheese egg muffin bites. Yield 12 egg bites. Prep time 15 minutes. Cook time 15 minutes. Total time 30 minutes. Ingredients: 12 eggs, salt and pepper to taste, 6 slices of butcher box bacon cooked and crumbled, half a cup of onion chopped, half a medium green pepper chopped, half medium red pepper chopped, half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, I used smoked cheddar cheese, half a cup of fresh spinach, finely chopped. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Whisk the eggs in a large bowl with the salt and pepper to taste. Spray a 12-capacity muffin tin with cooking oil. I like to use olive oil. Pour the eggs into each tin. Only fill each about halfway. You can toss the bacon, onions, peppers, and mushrooms in a bowl if you like. To mix them up, and add them to each of the tins, or you can just divide each equally into each of the muffin tins. Place the veggies on top of the eggs. Top with shredded cheese. Bake for 14 to 16 minutes or until the eggs are set. Mine were ready at 16 minutes. If you like your eggs more firm, give them additional time. Cool completely before serving. If you remove the egg bites too soon, the edges of the bites will be left behind in the muffin tin. Scroll below to watch the full recipe video.